welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on how I do my curly fro. And I'm going to be using Mix Chix for the first time, and this is going to be the only product I'm going to be using in my hair to style. Alright, so I am taking out my freshly washed hair in slow-mo. And then I'm going to be taking one section and just putting it away. So I just twist it up and just put it aside for now. And then I'm going to work on the other side of my hair. Okay, so I wet my hair with water. I usually use a spray bottle, but I didn't have it with me, so I just kept using the water from the sink and just wetting my hair until it's damp but not soaking, dripping wet. I just want it damp. So then afterwards I apply the Mix Chix. I put a very generous amount because I want my hair to last as long as it can. So I made sure to put heavy product in, and then I'm just gonna glide it through my hair first, making sure it gets all over, front, back, and then I'm gonna start finger detangling. For me, I like to finger detangle instead of using like a Denman brush because I don't like shrinkage. My hair would get way too short. So to keep my definition and to keep my length, I finger detangle my hair instead. So when I'm done with that section, I twist it off and then I work on the other half of my hair that I twist off. So I'm going to take that down and do the same thing on this side. This is probably the only thing I do not like about finger detangling is all of the fallout that gets all in your fingers that you have to take off. So this is my hair with the Mix Chix product in it. You can see the definition in my curls already, and it has hold to it. And it was just looking so good. It felt soft. I was kind of amazed by the results of just one product doing this good so far. So yeah, and you can see that it's gonna be a good wash and go. Alright, so here I'm gonna be doing my diffusing process. So here I am just trying to get my hair as dry as I can first before adding volume. So I kind of direct the diffuser in a straight direction towards my head, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I just try to do that for about 10 minutes and just try to get my hair as dry as possible. Right, so then after this process, I'm going to be adding volume to my hair. So I'm going to be moving the diffuser kind of an upward motion now. So I'm doing that to the top of my hair and just leaving the bottom of my hair be, so I can retain the length at the end of my hair while also adding as much volume as I can. Because my hair is so thin, I want to add volume, but I also want to keep as much length to my hair as possible. Alright, so this is my hair about 70 to 80% dry, and right now it's probably around like 12 a.m. and I want to go to bed. So I'm going to be taking my satin scrunchie and very, very, very loosely putting it up into a pineapple. I should be able to bounce it up and down like you see here, because we ain't trying to stretch our hair too much. Okay, so here it is, all nice and put up into a pineapple. And then I'm going to be getting my satin bonnet. So I'm going to be putting this on securely and then heading off to bed. Alright, so it's the end of the day, and this is how my curls turned out. So I developed a lot of volume, as you can compare to when my hair was semi-damp. So this is how my hair is after a whole day of having it just deal with the elements. I worked all day today, so I just let it out. And this is how it is. I don't know if it's different from my other clip, because I took a little video when I was at work, and yeah, this is how it is. I really like it. My review on the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner is that I absolutely love it. This is my first time trying this brand, and I always saw it on YouTube and other girls doing tutorials, but I never actually tried it out, and I didn't think it would work for my hair, but it actually worked very, very well. And it was just this I used in my hair, and it's giving me hold. I barely have any frizz. If I have any frizz, it's just because I've been actually taking my hands and doing this to my hair. That's causing my frizz, and I don't even really care about frizz that much. But yeah, so it does amazing hold, and it leaves my hair looking shiny, and my curl definition is on a 10. So I recommend this 10 out of 10. You can't even see it. I recommend Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner 10 out of 10. You know, if you have thin hair like me, just try doing the leave-in and that's it. No gel, no nothing, because the less product, the less your hair is going to be weighed down. Alright. I just came back from work, so I'm tired. But I wanted to put this quick clip in of how I like my results and how it is at the end of the day, and how I like the product that I use. So thank you guys if you made it to this end of the video. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you made it to the end in the comments below. If you're any of my friends or family watching this, let me know that you're watching this down below. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, because I'm really trying to grow my channel up there, and it will be a huge help if you guys subscribe. Alright, so thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.